So for the first stop of our trip to Penang, we are going to Design Village. It's an outlet mall in Batu Kawan, Penang. Opened in 2016. We heard there is a lot of coach promotion here. So we're gonna check it out and see what they have in store.
Hi everyone, we are now at Design Village Outlet Mall, one of the largest mall in Penang. So now we are heading to Coach. It's newly opened. So today at Coach Outlet Mall, we have an offer of starting price at 50%, then another additional 10%. So not a long queue. So we are going inside and see what kind of offer that we have for today. This is men's collection item. Coach. Item 40% plus 10 plus 10 or 40% plus 10 plus 10. Hi Arif. Now we are at Coach. 40% discount as well. 40 plus 10 plus 10. So Arif is doing Fortnite dance.